couple of weeks ago, yung isang episode natin, naglabas tayo ng COMELEC resolution na sinasabi nila na any public official who was dismissed by the Ombudsman or was suspended by the Ombudsman and subsequently dismissed ay permanently disqualified from running in the forthcoming 2025 election. At maraming naapektuhan dito, yung si Mayor Rama ng Cebu, yung sa Silang Cavite, and another mayor from Cebu. At sila ay naghain ng petition for the issuance of a temporary restraining order with the Supreme Court. And nung isang araw, naglabas ang Korte Suprema ng isang order restraining the Commission on Election from barring aspirants who have been dismissed and disqualified from holding office. So in effect, in-overturn ng Korte Suprema yung COMELEC resolution na yung mga public officials who were dismissed are now disqualified from filing their certificates of candidacy. And yung mga concerned officials na yan ay nakapag-file na ng certificates of candidacy and they are eligible to run and be voted upon in the forthcoming May 2025 election. Hindi pwede, sabi ng Supreme Court, na i-bar by an ombudsman resolution yung qualification ng isang Filipino to vote and to be voted upon. And yung dismissal from public office as well as perpetual disqualification to run or to hold public office shall only come pag ang Supreme Court ang nag-issue ng final ruling on the decision of the case.